Dear student, welcome back to our NIEPS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Home School Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your English literature class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is question answer and M.C.Q question from Unit 6. You know the title of this unit is Summer. We have already discussed this chapter in previous classes, and today we will do our question answer and M.C.Q question. So student, let's get started our class. And everybody, I am requesting all of you, this is your buzzword book, and open your book page number 55. Okay, the title of this unit, Summer. You know about this story. So we will solve some questions today. Student, here are given 3 questions for you based on the Unit 6. That means the story, the story, the summer. Okay, this story. So we will solve these questions now. First question: what does Rohan want to play? Student, in previous class we have already discussed this chapter, so we know what does Rohan want to play. So let's see our main story. Rohan and Jara are friends. Okay, they are talking with each other. Okay, Rohan is saying to Jara, let's play football. Okay, Jara is saying it's very hot, it's summer. So what does Rohan want to play? We know from this story, Rohan wants to play football. That means Rohan is interested to play football. Okay, so how will write our answer? Now at first, when you write your answer, you have to write first subject. So subject Rohan. Here you know each sentence starts with capital letter, and here Rohan is a proper noun, so starts with capital letter. Rohan. After Rohan we will write verb. Okay, Rohan. So from here you can take Rohan wants to play. Rohan. Okay, in question you can see want. So we will write here Rohan wants. But why is? We will add after want is, because in question when you will see after WS question, that means what, how, where. Okay, does, DOES, you have to add after subject is, sorry, after verb is. So Rohan wants, so you have to add is after verb. So write Rohan wants to play what games? Okay, football. So what does Rohan wants to play? Rohan wants to play football. Second question: how does the sun shine in summer? So from this story we know how does the sun shine in summer. We know the sun shines brightly in summer. That means brightly, that means deeply in summer. Okay, in summer season. Why it is so hot in summer? That's because the sun shines brightly in summer. So from this story we know that so first letter will be capital, the sun. At the same way we will write here shines. Okay, because here after WS question, that means how, does, we can see does, DOES. So in answer the sun shines, you have to add after verb is. Okay, the sun shines brightly, BRIGHTLY, brightly in summer. So how does the sun shine in summer? The sun shines brightly in summer. Now question number 3. What should we play in summer? We know we should. So from this story we know we can play indoors in the daytime. So in summer season the days are very long and it is very hot. So we should not play outside the house. We should play indoors. Okay, indoor games. So we should at the same way we will write subject at first. Here subject we. Okay, we should. We. After that, okay, we will write modal verb should and principal verb play. Okay, we should play what games? We should play indoors. Indoors means inside the house. So we should play indoors on summer days. We should play indoors games. That means we should play inside the house on summer days because it is very hot. Okay, now take the correct answer. So student, here are given 3 multiple choice questions. That means you have to select the best answer from these 3 options. So number 1, Zara does not want to play football because we know Zara does not want to play. That means Zara is not interested to play football because number 1, it is very hot. Number B, she does not like to play. Number C, she is tired. Which one is correct answer? We know from this story. Let's go through the story, main story. Zara, come, let's play football. Rohan is saying to Zara. Zara replied, it's very hot, it's summer. So Zara does not want to play football because it is very hot. The correct answer will be answer A. Number 2, you must play indoors on a summer day because option A, the sun shines brightly and it is very hot. B, it rains heavily, and C, it becomes cloudy. No, we know the answer. Okay, we can play indoors in the daytime. Okay, because the sun shines brightly in summer. It is very hot in summer. So the correct answer will be option A. The sun shines brightly. Brightly, that means deeply. The sun shines deeply or brightly and it is very hot. And 3 number question. To keep your body cool, you should dash. Number A, eat lots of food. No. Number B, eat fruits and drink lots of water. C, eat lots of meat. Which one is correct answer? We know from this story. Okay, we must drink a lot of water to keep cool. So, if we keep our body cool, you should eat fruits and drink lots of water. So, correct answer will be answer B. So, student, hope you have understood our today's topic. When it is your SW number 3 and topic question answer and M.C.Q question from Unit 6. So student, when you write the question answer and M.C.Q question, that means multiple choice question on your answer script and homework copy, you should follow these rules. Okay, you have to write only answer like this. Answer Rohan number A, Rohan wants to play football. Number 2, answer the sun shines brightly in summer. Answer 3, we should play indoors on summer days. And multiple choice questions, you should not you will not pick up the question. And a multiple choice question at the same way, you should not pick up the question. You will write only answer, and you have to write with sub number. That means A 1 number 1. Correct answer will be A. So you have to write A. It is very hot. 2A sub number, the sun shines brightly and it is very hot. Number 3, at the same way, sub number B, and eat fruits and drink lots of water. In this way. So student, hope you have understood our today's topic. That's all for today. See you in next class.